I'm waiting for the hooting. All the doors are shut now. I'm just waiting. This train's got a hoot yet, isn't it? Yeah. It is at 4:15. Should be now actually. Yeah, we're off. Oh! There's a dog. What's happening? The passenger. We got it. We got the hoot. We got the hoot of the train. We saw the Buffalo. Today we got the Metropolitan line on the Central line on a what's this train?
Mainline carriages, British rail carriages.
So what?
On British rail carriages.
Right.
So main line.
And we got the electric train.
You did that, did?
And we did shopping. Made a lovely cup of tea in the homemade bread pudding. Oh, we're just chopping along now, you can hear it. The joys of a steam train ride. The joys of a steam train. Yeah. The line now, isn't it? We are actually on the last train on this steam railway.
Until next time.
It is a steam railway now because there's steam on it. It's in the Central Line Railway.
Great Northern Railway. Great Eastern Railway, sorry, Great Eastern.
Yeah, they've parked up all the trains now, look, they're all parked up. All finished. They're all finished. Every train's finished. That's it, last train for the day. It's all finished. We'll close the station, clean the trains, and then go home. Bus. And the last bus. Last bus back. Sit upstairs this time. Oh no, the Epping, it's Epping signal cabin, apparently. I'm ending Richard's adventures here anyway. Admiring an old train. That's a signal cabin.